All right, so here we go. What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I am gonna do this sweet potato harvest. So I have sweet potatoes and russet potatoes to harvest. I'm gonna start with the sweet potatoes and see what we got. I'm excited to, that's the thing about root vegetables. When you grow for the roots, you really don't know what you're gonna get unless you see them peep them up out of the ground. And most of the time you don't get that luxury. So, I'm excited. I'm growing sweet potatoes that you typically see at the store, and also there's like a purple passion, I think is what it's called. It's a purple sweet potato. It's a gorgeous potato. The inside of it, the flesh or the skin is like purple, but the inside, the flesh is purple as well. I did a previous video on these sweet potatoes, so I have a playlist if you want to go check that out and watch it. But it's a gorgeous sweet potato, so I'm excited to see what I have. Now I can kind of point out which ones are the purple passions, and the vines are not that big, so I'm not expecting huge potatoes, but you never know until you find out. So let's open them up, dump them out, and see what we have. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have 3 totes, 2 big black ones that are 17-gallon, and a green one. The green one I only put 1 or 2 slips in, and I'm pretty sure these are purple passion. They don't look very big. I didn't do a great job watering them either. Excuse me. I wanted to use this as kind of like a control, because I was told in the beginning I had watched some videos that watering your sweet potato slips, you don't have to do that. And so I didn't water as much in this tote. The black tote's got the most water. So we're going to see, make a comparison between the two. So there they are, and I did just kind of dug them up a little bit. So let's see what we got going on here. And actually what I'm going to do is let me bring this back. I'm just going to pull them up by the plant and see what we have on the other end first, and then I'll dump it out. Okay. Maybe that's not going to work. So there's a few. So these are the purple passions. And again, a gorgeous color, but not very big, right? And I didn't water them a whole lot. And this is what I got. They've been out here since June. So the end of May. So not very much if you don't water. Let me see what else I got. I'm just going to pour. No, I'm not. I'm going to take this, kind of fish around really softly. See if we have any more roots. So far, I don't feel much. So there you have it. If you don't water, you're not going to have very much going on. Yeah. So I'm almost certain there are no other roots in here. I mean, I feel nothing. So, yeah. Beautiful soil though. Loose soil. I mean, that wasn't the case. I didn't water. Moving on. So here is tote number 2. This is a 17-gallon tote. I have cleared away most of the sweet potato vines before today. The ones that are remaining, I'm pretty sure are the purple passion. And again, they didn't get that big. So let's just harvest and see what we got. I'm pretty sure most of these vines are purple passion. I might have 1 or 2 slips of the regular sweet potatoes from the store. So let's just see what we can get. Okay. Not a whole lot coming out yet, y'all. So I'm gonna hold back the plant so you can see what's on the roots, if I can pull anything out with it. Woo! Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Hold on just a second, y'all. Okay. All right, wow. I didn't think I could lift that on my own. Yeah, it kind of hurt a little bit. But hold on a second. So clearly there are roots. These were the ones I pulled out by the plant. And these are all purple passion. So let me show you what the roots look like on these. Give me 1 second. Okay. So got a few little tubers. Ain't nothing to write home about, but this is my first time, so I'm kind of pumped. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna try to break this up a bit. So what we got going on, I like to see the color. And again, this is very loose soil, so it's not the soil at all. I mean, these are breaking away very well. But again, just really, really small tubers. So it's all right though. I'm excited. I grew it. I grew it. I mean, and I liked the idea of having the pot elevated, because I do think it helped keep out critters a little bit better than having them on the ground. I just kept watching videos over and over again and saw people's results. Try to clear out some of these roots. You know, roots. Okay, let's see if we got any more in here. Oh, a little bit. Okay, so we had some forming. Again, more time, which I don't have a lot of left. And perhaps more water. And I'll do a shot at the end, so you can see the complete harvest. The reason why I chose container gardening, the sweet potatoes, is because I hear some people do prefer using the raised bed, but I like to know that all of the potatoes are in a certain spot. So I wasn't that excited about just continuing to dig around to see if they would just pop, you know, if I could get them all. I know that if I dump this bucket, I'm more likely to, that's just a ball of soil, to find them all, versus trying to dig around in a bed to find them. But it's still quite a bit of soil to go through. But that was my, nothing on that plant, but that was my thought process. It's like, at least I know that if they're not in here, they're not in here, you know. Little bitty thing. So I'm gonna look around a little bit more and then move on to the next one. Woo! Okay, here go number 2. And if you can just hold it right there for a second. I'm gonna pull first. Okay, it's a little bit harder to pull out. Ugh. 1 second. Be careful. Okay. Well, I pulled and then just all came out. Okay. Thank you. So, yeah, roots. We see roots. But let's see what we got going on. Ugh, looks like a lot of ants in this one. There were no ants in the other one. So, let's just see what we got here. And this one is more wet for some reason than the other one. Not sure why. Let me use a tool. There are ants everywhere. To break it open. So they're not so bad in the soil. I just see them around one particular potato over here on the side. So see, the soil is not so here are these little, just got ants all over it. So the ants are feeding. I thought that would help with the pest, and I didn't have this problem in the last one, but there's ants. Ants can get everywhere, I guess. All right. So far, it looks like I had the most success in my little reusable shopping carts. So let me not speak too soon, because we don't know what might happen in here. Let's just see. Uh-oh, broke that one. Yeah, y'all, just not that great. These are not the purple. But again, they were growing, so now we just got to figure out how to get them to grow a little bit better. Let me dump some of this soil out, and then I'll come back. I know the video is getting a little long, you all, but I just wanted to stop and show you this. I was trying to take some of this soil out. So as I'm getting closer to the top of the soil, which is on the bottom right now, I'm going to show you what I'm pulling out here. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is it. This is all I got. It is a little disappointing because, you know, you just wait and wait and wait all season, and the containers were pretty big, and I had the loose soil. I did not fertilize these, so maybe that's another thing I can look into, but they got more water than the green tote potatoes, but at the same time, it's still a win. This is my first time growing. I did grow some, and they're just not as big as I would like, but I did grow them, so I'm excited. And so thank you all for watching. Sorry for the video being so long. And look, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these russet potatoes, but I'll do that on another video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.